The Hairbo Redbull Gummies you've seen online are not real products. They're part of a viral internet trend known as a snackfish. A snackfish is a fictional snack or food item created for entertainment and viral appeal. These mock products often feature convincing packaging and are shared widely on social media platforms to spark curiosity and engagement. In the case of Hairbo Redbull Gummies, images circulating online depict a fusion of Hairbo gummies and Red Bull energy drink branding. However, these images are digitally created and not indicative of an actual product. How to spot a snackfish? To determine if a product like Hairbo Redbull Gummies is real, check official sources. Visit the official websites of the brands involved, e.g., Hairbo and Red Bull, to see if the product is listed. As of now, neither company has announced or listed such a product. Look for unboxing or review videos. Authentic products often have unboxing or review videos from consumers. The absence of such content can be a red flag. Examine the imagery. Overly polished or digitally rendered images without real-life photos can indicate a product is not genuine. Hairbo Redbull Gummies are not real. They're a fictional creation for entertainment purposes. While the concept is amusing, it's essential to verify the authenticity of such products before attempting to purchase them. If you're ever uncertain about a product's legitimacy, consult official brand websites or trusted retailers. This practice helps avoid falling for hoaxes or scams.